Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Backpacker Adda. Today I'm going to cover about the Backpacker Headquarters in Manali. As you have already seen my Backpacker Headquarters branch in Jaipur, that is main branch, and which is getting renovated and newly they are opening up because of COVID situation. It was closed earlier. Now I'm going to cover about the Backpackers Headquarters branch in Manali. This is one of the highest rating hostel in Manali, which is having a 9.4 ratings in Manali. That is the highest that none of the hostels are having here in booking.com. It's really a amazing place here on the hills and filled up with the snow during the winter time, and awesome vibes here, and rooftop is really amazing. So today I'm going to cover about this hostel. So this is the entrance of the hostel. As you can see, this is the building, hostel area, and this is a parking area where you can park your two-wheelers which are rented out here, and we have parked our two-wheeler over there. So here we can get in. This is a reception area where you can once you come to the hostel, do the check-in here. This is a staff room, and this is a dormitory. This is a common area where you can sit and have fun, and there is a smart TV here which is having the all the applications like Amazon Prime, Netflix, and YouTube and all, where you can sit and watch the movies and songs and have some fun with the friends and the people came here. And this is also another dormitory area where we are staying currently. This is another dormitory area. There are 6 beds here, wooden made beds. This is a common bathroom. So geyser is there. Geyser is must here because it's very cold outside. Always it will be cold. Hot water will be used here for everything. This is my bed, and these are the lockers which they are providing for the people who are staying here. So this is a heater because it will be cold in the night, so you have to heat your body with the heaters. Another heater. This is drinking water. You can fill your water bottles here. Check-in time is 11 a.m. in the morning, and check-out time is 10:30 a.m. in the morning. And now we are going to the first floor. This is the first floor where it is having a dorm rooms along with the single rooms for the couples. So this is a dorm room. There are single rooms over there, and again here a dorm room, and there is a single room for the couples. This is the rooftop where in the evening people can sit here and have fun, and bonfire here, so people can heat their body in the evening because the temperature will go beyond minus 3 Celsius degree. This is also a common area where people can sit and have party, drinks, and a projector will be fixed here during the IPL time, where projector will be fixed and IPL matches will be shown here. People here sit and have the drinks and the food order from the cafe. Cafe is just beside. I will show you, and watch the your favorite. You support your favorite team during the IPL time. This is the river. Hostel is just on the river beside. So you can see white color snow over there, fresh snow, which is fallen just 2 days before. We are expecting a snow again today, as there is a New Year party in the rooftop. You can see the mountain over there, which is filled up with snow. This is the cafeteria. You can order the food here, veg and non-veg, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Morning parota will be available. Aloo gobi and onion parota will be available in the morning. So this is a kitchen area, small kitchen area, where they can prepare the delicious food and serve you very hot during this weather. In order to do the see the menu and do the orders for the food and breakfast, you need to scan this ID. You need to scan this ID and to check the prices and order over there. This is really amazing, as you don't need to ask them the menu, and again they will take a time to get back to you with the menu and all. You just need to scan with this ID and you will get the prices and everything. So music will be played here, as you can see, in the night time, and I am going to show you in the evening how the lightings will be here on the rooftop, and for the hostel the lightings will be there. It will be really amazing to see. And this hostel is on the way to Hidimba Road, Hidimba Temple Road, which is in the old Manali, and from ISBT bus stand, that is Mall Road, from Manali, 2 kilometers it is from bus stand. You can hire a taxi and